Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Toyota 1.33 1.33 Vvti engine is a small displacement, naturally aspirated gasoline engine that was developed with a strong emphasis on fuel efficiency and low emissions, particularly for compact cars in European and Asian markets. It's known for its relatively advanced features for its size when it was introduced. Engine overview and history. The 1.33 Vvti is a 1.33-liter, 1,329 cubic centimeters, inline, 4 gasoline engine. It's part of Toyota's NR engine family, which focuses on compact and efficient designs. When it was introduced in 2008, first appearing in the Toyota Yaris, it brought several notable features for its class. Dual VVTi, variable valve timing with intelligence on both intake and exhaust camshafts to optimize valve timing for efficiency and performance across the RPM range. Lightweight construction, aluminum cylinder block and head. Low friction design, including roller rocker arms and an offset crankshaft. Long stroke design, 471.0 mm x stroke 83.5 mm, which contributes to good low to mid-range torque and efficiency. Timing chain for valve timing. High compression ratio. For its time, a relatively high compression ratio, e.g., 11.5 to 1, to enhance thermal efficiency. The 1.33 Vvti was designed to replace the 2SC 1.3L and some 1NZ Vvti 1.5L applications in smaller vehicles, primarily focusing on fuel economy and meeting stricter emission standards. Applications. The 1.33 Vvti engine has been used in various compact Toyota models, primarily in Europe, Asia, and other markets outside North America. Toyota Yaris, XP90, XP130 generations. Toyota Auris, E150, E180 generations. Toyota Verso S/Ractis, XP120. Toyota Urban Cruiser. Opinions and review. The 1.33 Vvti is generally considered a reliable and very fuel-efficient engine for its size. Owners appreciate its economical nature and its suitability for urban driving. While it's not a powerhouse, it provides adequate performance for the lightweight vehicles it powers. Its compact size and low running costs make it a popular choice in markets where smaller, efficient cars are favored. Advantages. Excellent fuel economy. This is its strongest point. The combination of dual VVTi, high compression, and lightweight design contributes to very good mileage, especially in urban environments. Reliability. True to Toyota's reputation, the 1.33 Vvti is generally a robust and durable engine, capable of high mileage with proper maintenance. Timing chain. Utilizes a timing chain, which is designed to last the life of the engine and typically doesn't require scheduled replacement, reducing long-term maintenance costs. Low emissions, designed to meet stringent European emission standards. Compact and lightweight, contributes to the overall agility and efficiency of the vehicles it powers. Disadvantages. Limited power output. As a small, naturally aspirated engine, its power output, typically around 99 HP or 73 kilowatts, is modest. It can feel underpowered in heavier vehicles at higher speeds on highways, or during aggressive overtaking maneuvers. Noise at high RPMs, when pushed hard, especially during acceleration or at highway speeds, the engine can become quite noisy and unrefined. Performance for its size, but not for all needs. While it performs well for a 1.33 engine, it simply doesn't have a reserve for spirited driving or heavy loads. No hydraulic lifters, requires valve adjustments unlike many larger Toyota engines. Some versions of the 1.33 Vvti, especially earlier ones, use solid lifters, meaning the valve clearances may need periodic checking and adjustment, which could be a more involved maintenance procedure. Always check your specific model's manual. Common faults and breakdowns. The 1.33 Vvti is generally very reliable, but like any engine, some issues can arise, though these are typically not widespread catastrophic failures. Increased oil consumption. While not as severe or common as the 2AZ Vvti, some owners have reported increased oil consumption, particularly at higher mileages. This can sometimes be linked to piston ring design or carbon buildup if oil change intervals are neglected. VVTi actuator rattle. Similar to other VVTi-equipped engines, a rattling noise on cold startup can sometimes be attributed to the VVTi actuators, though this is less frequently reported as a major issue. Ignition coil failures. As with many modern engines, ignition coils can occasionally fail, leading to misfires and rough running. This is a relatively straightforward replacement. Water pump leaks. Water pump issues can occur with high mileage, a common wear item. Carbon buildup, less common while not direct injection. Excessive idling or short trips can lead to some carbon buildup over time, affecting performance and efficiency. Fuel consumption. This is where the 1NR FE truly shines. Its fuel economy figures are impressive for a non-hybrid gasoline engine. Toyota Yaris 1.33 manual/CVT official combined figures often range from 5.0 to 5.5 L/100 km, around 43 to 47 mpg US/51 to 57 mpg UK. Toyota Auris 1.33. Similar figures, slightly higher in real-world driving due to the larger vehicle, often around 5.5 to 6.0 L/100 km, around 39 to 42 mpg US/47 to 51 mpg UK. Real-world consumption can vary based on driving style, traffic conditions, and whether it's paired with a manual or CVT transmission. The start-stop system on some models further enhances urban efficiency. Timing. The Toyota 1.331NR FE engine uses a timing chain system. This is a significant advantage, as timing chains are designed to last the entire lifespan of the engine and do not require periodic replacement, unlike timing belts. This reduces maintenance costs and potential concerns related to timing belt failures. The dual VVTi system relies on actuators to adjust valve timing. Oil. Recommended engine oil. Toyota generally recommends 0W, 20 or 5W, 30 engine oil for the 1NR FE, depending on the specific model year, region, and climate. For optimal fuel efficiency, 0W, 20 is often preferred. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate and up-to-date recommendation. Engine oil capacity. The oil capacity is typically around 3.4 to 3.7 liters, 3.6 to 3.9 U.S. quarts, with a filter change. As always, refer to your owner's manual and use the dipstick to confirm the correct level. Versions. The 1NR FE itself is a specific variant, 1.33 naturally aspirated with dual VVTi. While the core design remained consistent, minor revisions could have been made over its production run. It is part of the broader NR engine family, which includes 1NR FK, an even more thermally efficient variant of the 1NR, using the Atkinson cycle and other advanced features, typically found in newer models like the Toyota Yaris Hybrid, though often paired with an electric motor as part of the hybrid system, or specific non-hybrid models in Japan. The 1NR FE stands as a solid example of Toyota's engineering for efficiency and reliability in compact vehicles. It's an unpretentious workhorse that excels at its primary mission, getting people from A to B economically and reliably. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.